In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your comments on LinkedIn. This process is quick and straightforward, and within 5 minutes, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate through LinkedIn to find your past comments. Before we dive into the steps, make sure you're connected to the internet and have your LinkedIn login credentials handy. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL bar, linkedin.com, and hit enter. You'll be directed to the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you should notice a sign-in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that button. This will take you to the LinkedIn login page, where you'll need to enter your email or phone number and password. Once you've filled in your details, click the sign-in button to access your LinkedIn account. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be redirected to your LinkedIn homepage, which serves as your main dashboard. This is where you see your feed, new connection suggestions, and various updates. Now, take a moment to locate the navigation bar at the top. Look for the Me icon, which represents your profile picture. Clicking on this icon will display a drop-down menu that's tailored to your account. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled View Profile. Click on that, and it will lead you directly to your LinkedIn profile page. Here you can see your professional information, work experiences, and other details you've chosen to share on your profile. Now, focus your attention on the vertical menu just beneath your profile picture and headline information. This menu might display tabs like Activity, Analytics, or others. You'll want to click on the one that says Activity. Selecting this will take you to a section of your profile that showcases your LinkedIn interactions, including posts you've liked, shared, and most importantly, for today's task, comments that you've made. In the Activity section, you'll see different filters across the top. One of these filters is labeled Comments. Click on this to specifically filter and view all the comments you've made across LinkedIn posts. As you scroll through, you'll notice each comment appears alongside the original post it was made on, allowing you to revisit the context of your interactions. That's it. You've now successfully navigated LinkedIn to view your comments. This process will help you keep track of your engagements and revisit past discussions effortlessly. Remember, practicing these steps will make the task feel more intuitive over time. If you ever find yourself lost or unsure, simply refer back to this guide. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and essential LinkedIn tutorials.